On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these riders forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you're all having a wonderful morning. Bitcoin rolling over. Oof. Finally, let's go. It's dumping literally right now. Let's go. Oh my God. Bitcoin rolling over. Let's go, baby. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Oof. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. What are you guys doing? Golden pocket retracement level. Oof. Bounce level. Oof. Will it continue up or is it going down, down, down? Hopefully everybody is short. I'm not short. I'm just naturally short. How we all doing this morning? Good morning. Everybody. Harp, what's going on, bro? Your email still isn't coming up. I sent you a message. Anyways, SFP to start the day. Are they gonna sweep it right now? It's a bit early for me to take it SFP. Sorry for being a little bit tardy this morning. I am a little tired. Oh, sorry. I had a date with the porcelain throne. Okay, Marion, what's going on? Andy, Alexander G, what's going on? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good to see you, Pat, as well. Isaac, how's it going? Rashad, Mr. Kemp, Krypto, Hyung, Mahaba. That's Mahaba, guys. Look at this thing. Dump. Good, good. Dump it. It needs to dump, guys. It needs to have a little bit of a See how it bounces here. My God, they're coming for everybody in the morning. Alexander G's driving. Be careful. Don't drive and text, Alexander G. Shredder, good to see you. Curtis Hill, Keen Bean, good to see you. Duality, TNB, what's going on? Good to see you as well. Look at this sweep. Retest to previous lows. Continuation down, possibly. I know it looks dramatic on the 3-minute, doesn't it? Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Daniel, Curtis Hill, what's going on? Al81. Big recovery here. Okay. Okay, I see you, Bitcoin. I see you, Bitcoin, and your little cheeky moves here. Retesting the lows right now in Solana. Same with Bitcoin. So this is typically where you look for a short continuation, right? Breakdown continuation. Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Early in the morning. Tips, what's going on, Trace? J-Hop, Doggy Dog. Curtis Hill, Tony Soprano. What's going on, man? Tim Ladies, man. Blackie Chan, what's going on? Piper Academy inbound. Let's go. Mab the Great. Rahandy, man. Do they call you Rahandy, man? Food. For me, smart people are miserable. You know, the highest, everybody's picking the IQ, but you know, the highest IQ is like 270, and like, then it goes down to like 220. Like, it's not even like 200 is, don't get it twisted. 200 is good, but it's like, this ain't like overclocked, okay? 200 is not overclocked. So a lot of you people are changing your mind now. All you guys just sitting here like this, clicking your fucking fingers. Come on. See, everybody's like, oh, I thought 200 was smart. I mean, what's the highest IQ? So I think it's like 270, 276. We got 276, 230, 228, 225, 200. Psychiatrist, astrophysicist, mathematician. Yeah, I mean, everybody dumb. Let's just face that. Like, you would just be, like Tony said, you just be there like you just stupid, man. Like, do you not understand? Would be your favorite saying. Do you not understand that you have mental retardation? My cousin. Okay? Mental retardation. What is this shit? All right. Economic calendar today. Everything points to tomorrow for the news data. That'll be coming out. We got the core PCE, guys. Hardcore. And personal income and spending. That's going to be the one tomorrow. Is inflation rising with the rate cuts? Right? They're losing jobs, that's for damn sure, but today's nothing burger, in my opinion. Dumping, no trade here, guys. I'm not jumping in a long or short here. It's rolling over. I thought we were gonna get double bottom balloon dog continuation here, but we are overextended to the upside. Jornit, good morning. Curtis Hill, good to see you. V Monitors in the chat. Melissa, I see you, Mel. How's it going, Melissa? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you guys being here. Curtis Hill, Tim Ladies Man. Losing a lot right now? What would be, it's like institution spots the past few days and now are dumping on us. So what has led you to losing? Because I've been winning. A lot of the gang has been winning. Maybe you haven't. There's some adjustments you need to make in an environment like this. So everybody's kind of getting out of fear and going into greed, right? Naturally. So they will chop you up, right? As we can see. So your job is to participate safely, always. How do you participate safely in price action like this? Well, you pay yourself pretty quickly. Swing traders are pissed in here, okay? Scalpers are still pissed in here, but we survive. Okay, but in my opinion, yesterday was a turd of a day. Okay, Asia was a little bit more kind, I would say, but yesterday sucked. Okay, Trump talked about gasoline. That's about the highlight of yesterday for trading. And I mean, I still got away with $2,600 after checking this morning. So I'm up $7,600 this week, which is a great week for me. I mean, happy days. I mean, I'm not trying to print like I was last month. There's been some opportunities like this. I really effed up. Like, I had a $1 million Solana long back here, and I closed it. That would have been like a $30,000 trade, but I did the chicken dance on that one. That's fine. I mean, not going to hit them all. But it's been a good week so far. We continue to stay disciplined this week. That's kind of been the thing. I've been tired. I've been overworked and I don't know. Yeah, overworked. I can't say underpaid because I'm up $7,600, right? But today I booked the golf simulator. I'm going to go and hit some golf balls and release the tension in my brain. What's going on, Gilbert? Good to see you. Trade Intuition, what's going on, man? How you doing? Mr. Earth, big up. I don't know about that, bro. FT Trading, Melissa Milan, good to see you. Matthew, Israel, good to see you. Good morning, Vegas Claw, my man. How you doing? Dusty, PB Stacks, Crypto Young. Good stream to start the day. That's it, man. John, Mortimer, Iron, V Monitor, Muckin, good to see Kathy, Magic Mike, Shrian, Guru. That's got to be the worst. That's got to be the worst insult if you're on YouTube. You're a guru. What was that movie? Love Guru? Like this. I think, yeah. Is that Adam Sandler? I can't remember. Bitcoin Bunker, Steve Hickey, good to see you. D Jeep. Matthew, good to see you. Spaceman, Melissa. Tony Soprano. Dumb people are happy. Yeah, man. Sometimes I just wish I was a simpleton. Simple people. That's hard to say. Spaceman, Massey, good to see you. Neil. Cristiano. Buongiorno. Rashad. Stop losses. Remember to stop loss. Yeah, that's pretty basic. I mean, as soon as you enter a trade, no matter what, there should be a stop on your screen. Okay, even me as a scalper, like sometimes my invalidation, I'll enter, let's say if I entered here, right? My invalidation would be here. Or my, whatever, I'm looking to take it up to the lows here. Sometimes I'll leave my stop loss under here because I know they hunt my, generally, especially on Bitunix, I know they hunt my orders. I don't care. I know how to manage that. I'll leave my stop loss a little bit further away. And if we come into here and it's invalidating, I'll slide it up, which is a little bit risky. I don't suggest you do that unless you have experience doing that. Because I'll leave it here and then I'll push it back in. Or I'll flash close it, right? Like I'm pretty quick on it. Okay. But no matter what, you should have a stop on your screen. Like it's, if you get long here and you don't have a stop on your screen, your account's fucked. Right? It's effed. Don't be dumb. Have an IQ above 50. Let's push back here. Trying to go. Solana Golden Pocket retested previous highs. Bearish divergence, break of structure, rotation down, fair value gap. Still don't like it. I still don't like it. I need to see something in here for structure-wise. This is just flagging out and going to continue down here. Yeah, this is not somewhere where... We haven't reclaimed the range, which is my rules. So I would like to see reclaim of the range. Right now we're just hovering. Hovercrafting. Swing low to swing high. We go in here. You can see golden pockets here. Liquidity in this low. And this low. 786. So we've tapped one. We haven't tapped either. Okay, so interesting. No trade. It's not something that... This is downtrending. Break of this low. Break. Continuation down. Trapping SFP traders right now because they don't have rules based around their trade. Now, if we come back in here, get a little bit of structure going on, we could consider a long. SFP, bullish divergence, fair value gap, target, liquidity. Yeah, it's not the prettiest. NASDAQ rolling over. Okay. SPY is consolidating pretty flat too, so I'd be looking in here. Unless it wants to send it, but very sideways, very, very sideways, which to me, same with the SPY, I believe SPY is just very, very horizontal right now. Yeah, little push up, but horizontal to say the least. Consolidating, push up, retest. So we're looking for retest continuation generally in here, which does mean lower. Middle of the range, retest. All-time high. Happy days, happy days, happy days. Hopefully everybody's having a beautiful morning. Thank you for being here and hitting the like button and all that kind of stuff you say on YouTube. 300 people in here. We did trade Asia last night. Perfect trade in Asia. Like absolute perfect. We started the stream. We pressed buy and we made money. Like it was like the easiest money you could have made on Asia. It's never financial advice here, but where was it, guys? Last night, couldn't even get it. Here it was. So we had this last night. We literally started the stream right at 7 right here, or 9, I guess, Eastern Standard Time. I saw VWAP slab. We took this long here. Perfect trade. Literally, that's all we did last night. It's just make money. We had a VWAP slap on Bitcoin, bullish divergence here, and printed. So if you're not coming to Asia, you don't know Ata gang. It's the best one. Nice pushback here. Little push, trying to get back within the range. No trade yet. Ata gang. 71 likes, guys. Really? What's your average used margin size? So I typically trade about $200,000 per trade on the live stream, and I'll crank that up to about 400 when I'm all by myself. Yeah, typically looking to risk like 500 on the live streams and 1,000 off the live streams because there is a little bit of distraction when I'm live streaming. French toaster, Harp, good to see you, Melissa. Some bitch dead. Good to see you guys. Good morning, everybody. Please say good morning and don't be a weirdo. Like, there's 300 people in here. The only thing I ask is for you to say good morning. Like, you don't even have to hit the like button. Just say good morning. Don't be an absolute weirdo on your wanking chariot sitting there watching me trade, trying to copy trade me or find some magical insight that's going to change your life. It's not here, buddy. Just say good morning. Don't be a weirdo. You show up to the job site, you don't say good morning, you're going to have a problem. So you are the reason Bitunix hunts us. WeX is shit, in my opinion. I've seen so many scam wicks. The only thing I don't want to see is a scam wick. Like, your chart all of a sudden looks normal, and then there's this one candle that's like this. Like, don't touch an exchange like that. On Bitcoin? Like, I digress. Trying to push back here, probably push back into this gap here and then rotate down. B Monitor, Melissa, good to see you. Loza, do you think ETH will revisit 3K? Yeah, we kind of had a talk about that. Like 3K would be the bottom. It's got a pretty clear shot up to 3,400 though, if we're looking at ETH. Yeah, 32. We said 31. Support. Yeah. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Yeah, we said we could revisit in here. And then 34 is kind of your target. We were talking about that last night. Bitcoin trying to go. Solana trying to go as well. Bullish divergence. Clipping, bull div. Clipping, bull divs. Pretty decent signal for bottoming structure. And yeah, so this is just starting on the 12-minute. It doesn't tell me, right now it doesn't tell me that it's done. It's still got a little bit of room to go down here. This tells me we could get another one and then go. Nice liquidity to come take here, guys. This is a nice target, though. I do like this. Doji engulfing continuation. Downtrending momentum. Not something. Yeah, we'll see how we bounce out of here. It's trying. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. V Monitor, French Toaster, Tony Soprano, Steve Hickey, good morning. Good to see you, Piper. How you doing? Rich Sainsbury, good morning. You sorted 30 minutes ago. Okay. Magic Mike, good morning. Patalon, good to see you, man. How you doing? Jeep, Harp, Anthony Lee. I do Asia Tuesday, Wednesday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is really gay. This price action here. This is Solana's strong. Trying to reclaim support as resistant. Yeah. Enticing buyers, really. It's like one of these, right? Oh my God, we're going to the moon. Oh my God, we're going to the moon. When in doubt, zoom out. Hammer candle continuation trigger wave. 24-minute. VWAP projection. Interesting. Just curious here. Yeah, no. I'm splitting hairs. Bitcoin pushing back. Good morning, JR. Good to see you. Anthony. Dusty. Good to see you. 1 mil. D Jeep. KSR. Hey. KSR. How's it going? Iron Will. Good morning. Cameron. Just for you, Alex. Good morning. I liked. That's my good morning. Thank you so much, Cameron, for saying good morning. David, Richard, Nonstop, my man. What's going on, 1 mil? ADC, good morning. Patrick Swayze, my man. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Jack, King Huve, Jasper, Grayson. JR Baru. Damn, I just showed up and suddenly I'm a weirdo. Can't stay, gotta bounce. But good morning. Good morning, man. Or weirdo, whatever you want to call. I think we go to 88, 89. I think 90. 90 is kind of my line in the sand right now. If we come down. Right now it doesn't look like 90. It looks like 100,000. No, I'm kidding. We got to come to like 90, 94. Yeah. We'll see. I think 90 or 94. We're stuck in the middle with you, which is fine. I like hanging out with you guys. You guys are all right. Tony Soprano, Rashad, Shumi, good morning. Juarez, Bebe, good evening. Doru is on fire. Yeah. Little wick test coming back in here. Continuation out for Sol. Strength in Bitcoin. Strength in NASDAQ. Okay. Yep. Happy Thursday, everybody. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting the channel. We got 340 people in here. Just looking at a little bit of top-down analysis. No trade right now. I'm just going to wait. Little SFP this morning. Not something I'm necessarily interested right away. Literally as we started the stream. I guess we should have just pressed long like we did yesterday with our beautiful Bitcoin. Our Solana trade last night. Yeah, that was good. Could have just pressed long this morning. So where are we at? What are we looking for? Bitcoin looking like trapping traders. That's what I see. Whoa. I had a good sleep last night. It's just the lag effect of working 17-hour days for the last 2 weeks. So holding double top, bearish divergence, okay? Continuation, right? Ascending triangle, which is bullish. We like this. Okay, this is a good thing. However, they're not going to make it easy, in my opinion. They're going to sweep at least. This is a good push out. Until we lose this low, we should remain bullish. Okay. Looking generally where we're at, we're looking to come for this liquidity up in here from 98 all the way down to 95. Okay, we can start looking for the push up into here, but however, we are into major volume resistance. Okay, major volume support. So this is how you should be dividing your chart. We are at the top of the range. We should look to come to the bottom of the range naturally. Okay, so for me, I would like to see chop in here. That's basically where I'm at. Which means at some point, I would like to see this liquidity in here swept. Okay, even halfway down the candle here, a little dip of the toes. Okay, then structure and go and get long in here. Okay, that's what I would love to see, but you don't get what you want to see. You get some variety. We prepare for all situations. Now we have downtrending momentum here. So what do we look for? We look for support, consolidation, and continuation, right? Prepared trader is a profitable trader. So that's what I'm looking for. Looking to sweep liquidity, right? That's going to be our targets coming into this. We look generally at market cipher. Everybody says, oh, the oscillators are resetting. Well, that's kind of like retail kind of thoughts, in my opinion. Like an oscillator is great but the problem with oscillators, there's extremes, right? I think Gio and I were talking about this yesterday. Like I love an oscillator for confluence on my idea that I've already built from price action, right? Because price action is going to be king. So if I can understand that we have topping structure, we have liquidity in the lows, we have order blocks down below, we have key liquidity here and here, right? So we should be looking for general retest and continuations. Now, the way they typically do this, everybody, is that they send it up first. Okay, they'll give you a little taste, couple bullish candles, big push, maybe some extra volume, and then they dump it on your head. All right. That's what they do. They dump it down and then they dump it on your head. That's the opposite, right? So be prepared for a lot of shenanigans within the next 2 weeks. FOMC, Donald Trump announcements, inflation data. Okay, be prepared. It's very choppy. Look at this, nice push. Came back in, nice push. Retested previous lows, nice push. Volume's coming in right now. But it's candles like that are making you react, right? You see how that made you feel bullish, right? Check yourself at the door, right? Like that made you feel bullish. Look what they're doing. If you had bought this candle, look how poorly positioned you are in your trade. If anything, you're looking for a retest continuation or you're buying to chop. However, your trend is down, so you should be actually looking for shorts. So be prepared for them to entice you, I think is what I would preach today. Take what they give you and prepare. So when we look at market cipher and we go through this, we can use our idea of where liquidity is to justify our bias for the day, right? So for me, I'm very, very biased that we come back down for a sweep and then we continue. Now I'm able to jump and change my mind if we start to rip. That's no problem. Let's go. However, we've pushed up pretty aggressively here. So a retracement back down to about 90,000 would be ideal for me. And then if we get above 94 and we start ripping, we jump on trend. Very simple. The daily trigger wave has printed. Okay, so this is the bullish sign that we were looking for all the way back in Saturday. So we've been looking for this thing. So it came and it found us, which is cool. 12-hour bearish divergence. So this is your warning sign here. Bearish divergence, hidden bearish divergence on the 8-hour, right? However, we're just chopping at the top, right? Whenever you're chopping at the top after a euphoric push, this is just continuation, right? So be prepared for continuation. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a push here. Nice. Volume stepping up, trying to push price higher. Solana trying to break out. I'd like to see the breakout, break of the high, retest back in, and then we get long. That's where I want to get long. Not in this. Not right now. Not unless it's just a quick scalp, like up to here. Bitcoin enticing buyers, right? We look at the 8-hour here. The 8-hour money flow is starting to creep up. This is something that I am interested in as money pushes in here. Okay. There's a couple of concerning things with VWAP on the higher term time frames. They're all about to cross the 0 line. Okay, we look at the 8-hour about to cross the 0 line, the 12-hour about to cross the 0 line. The daily overextended, right? So it can come back down. So a couple of warning signs, really. When we go into today, R4, R3, R2, R1, generally, you can see we're a little bit overextended here. Look to come down. That's what I see. Red dot confirmed, rotation down. Posturing is to the downside here. VWAP is still resetting, right? So we want to see the VWAP attack the 0 line. Money flow is great. This is a good sign, but this is a warning sign right here, and this is a warning sign right here. Heed your warnings. Okay, 3-hour, same thing, rolling over. Strong momentum to the downside, overextended in here. VWAP coming to the downside. So the 4, the 3, the 2 have all said, hey man, we're not ready to go up yet. If we're going to turn back up, we would be looking at this for about mid-afternoon. Maybe Asia pushes us up today. Maybe we roll over and then we trigger wave up. So patience here. In a range, we talk about range trading a lot. You want to trade the buns. You don't want to get caught with the noodle slap right in the face. Okay, unless you're scalping, you want to trade the buns. You got to wait for the buns, man. 1 hour here is the only hopium. So the 1 hour here is looking to roll up. Everything here is, green money flow. Holding the middle line of the stochastics. Rotation up for VWAP. We want to see this start to roll up as well. So that's our hopium. Still hopium, okay? So if this, then that. Trying to push here. A little sweep into some liquidity here. Trying to push back here. No trade right now. Downtrending momentum. Sweep of the lows. Like I said, targets down below. And targets above. Okay. And we're prepared. That's it, right? Prepared trader is a profitable trader. So trading is waiting. We wait. Right now, this looks like it should roll over, in my opinion. It's trying to battle right now. If it pushes up, cool. But no trade right now. Just a little battle here holding on. It's like Mufasa and Uncle Scar, right? You got Uncle Scar up here. You got Mufasa down here. And he's trying to hold on. Can he climb back up, or is Uncle Scar going to send him off the cliff? And the cliff says you're coming here, 91.5. So if this, then that. Prepared trader. Double bottom here on the 12. I like this. I like it. This is what we call moose knuckle in Canada. We call this the moose knuckle pattern. I typically like a 5-minute moose knuckle pattern or camel toe pattern, but this is a nice 12-minute moose knuckle. So this could push up, but it's got to confirm and it's got to be overextended. It's not either. So you might get a triple moose knuckle in here. That would be ideal. Patience. And now my head's in the gutter, and so is yours. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. 410 people here. We're here live every morning, taking trades, showing you guys the trades every single day, helping you guys navigate the charts. Okay. It's never easy. However, with good risk management, patience, we can all be successful together. No trades right now. Happy days. Happy days. Thank you everybody for being here. $50 gifted. Is that HRJ calling out all the lurkers, man? 50 gifted. HRJ, you must be crushing it with the trades. Oh, yeah, you are, because our Discord is on fire. Oh, the best Discord in all crypto. I mean, how many long setups did you give? Solana. Target hit. Look at the drawdown in that. Oh, you're a G, man. That's awesome, man. Great work. Great work. Link. Look at that drawdown, guys. Best Discord in all crypto, like by far. We have 2 signals, guys. We have teaching. Oh, XRP. Wave cipher. Oh, don't show them all the analysis. Trade fly. Liquidity. CVO with the, oh my God, the call on this bounce. He called this bounce right here. This bounce right here. He called it right here. So good, man. Look at the call. Look at the call, guys. You can't, I don't know. The spoon is for real, guys. Like, you see the spoon? I need a bigger one. Brewberry, I mean, absolute monster. Oh, white charts. White charts. Oh, man. Anyways, 150 lessons. Live streaming today. It's going to be a great day, everybody. HRJ, thank you for the 50, man. God bless you. Thank you for being part of the family, supporting the channel. We got the full moon tonight, baby. Let's go, F-bomb. Let's go. Yeah, bullish moon today. It's going to be fun. Everybody be howling in here. JR, Bebe, HRJ, lurker. Divine Hood, I see you. Lunchable, good to see you, man. How you been? Bernard, what's up? Jet Trades, my man. How you doing, bro? Good stream last night. Lurkers in the chat. Thank you, HRJ. Gang. Use code boobies. No, it's boobs. Use code boobs if you want a discount on our holiday sale. We figured holidays and boobs, nothing better, right? So get your tatas. I feel whenever someone asks for the code in the Discord and they're like, what's the sign up code? I'm just like, boobs, and I feel so unprofessional. Catering. I mean, the audience picked the code word. Data out. You calling me data or you calling me data? What's going on, Lunar Beaches Crypto, my man? God bless you. God bless you, HRJ. Thank you so much for the beautiful gift. Got HRJ's channel here too. 928. Maybe we get you up to Maybe we do a giveaway and get you 1,000 subscribers. Ooh. I don't know about these sideburns though, bro. Like your guy looks cool here, but I don't know, man. These sideburns, I think, gotta go. Do you got sideburns like this, man, that go all the way down your neck? Like, this is nasty. If that goes all the way, you know those people with like they got the beard, and then the beard connects to the back of their hair at the back, like that they got that connection. That's next level shit. You a werewolf, man. You got some over here too. Is that your chest hair? I don't know, man. I love you, bro, but there's something going on. Guys, go follow at HRJ Trading, man. Great trader, great person, good human, part of the family. Support good people. Dallas, good to see you. C's, good morning, good to see you. Sainsbury, if you had dry power, would you look at 90K pullback to enter any alts on spot? No, not yet. Not until macro change on Bitcoin, my friend. So for me right now, Bitcoin needs to put in. I mean, you can say, oh, macro change here. It's just not convincing to me, man. Not with 90. Like, I want Bitcoin to show some strength in here. Whatever. This is where I'd look to buy. Or this is where I'd look to buy if I was going to buy. And I'm not keen on buying right now. There's no oomph. I reckon I ought to join the Discord. Yeah, I mean, I say join the Discord because it's like, it's the only thing I think there's like tremendous value. Tremendous value. You can't keep up with the amount of spoons that are being fed. Even last night, like Kyle gave a short setup. Kyle gave you guys all the short as well. Everybody printed with Kyle last night. Set up in advance. Printed. Okay. I mean, you can't keep up. There's too much money to be made. And it's not financial advice. It's just like good people, good traders, people who actually trade. Who would have thought? Who would have thought there'd be a Discord of people who trade for a living? You know? Who would have? I don't know. It's kind of like crazy. Note to self: set stop loss before caring for baby. Failed my breakout eval. Open trade. Baby started screaming bloody murder. Fed him and got him settled. You LBC, you've been trading longer than I have. You have no excuse to not setting a stop loss, bro. Just click it on the damn screen and go deal with the kid. I love you, man. But you know better than that. You know better than that. I'll buy you an eval for Christmas. How about that? Send me your whatever. I'll buy you an eval for Christmas, okay? LBC in the chat. Throw LBC in the chat. I love you, bro. I'm 38 and finally able to grow a mustache. I had a dirt stash at like 8 years old, man. It's an Italian thing. Why do Italian men have mustaches? So they can look like their mothers. It took me a while to connect. I was like 18 or 19 when I connected here. That's the hardest part right here. So you're telling me that your beard, I've seen more hair on a piece of bacon. That's what you're telling me. Like Wolverine, yeah. Wave cipher. All right, who voted for unlimited food? We know you did. You got the fattest otter in the otter gang, man. Look at everybody. Look at how fat Wave Cipher is down here. Wave Cipher is the fattest otter in the otter gang. He's just eating junk food all day. He was like first to jump on the chips yesterday. He's a cuddly. He's a cuddly otter. Bruno, what's going on, man? F-bomb boobs. Use code boobs. Are you Italian? No wonder you are a traitor. Like, is that like a World War II joke where we're like, we'll be on your team. We'll be on your team. My nonna had a great porn stash. Let's go, Paul Caruso. My nonna was I got a picture of him. You guys are gonna love this. I had a picture of my grandfather in like the 50s riding a skateboard. 60s or 50s, guys. So let me see if I can find it. Here it is. Yeah, I found it. Okay, I know where to find it. Look at this picture, guys. You can't beat this. This is No. Alexander G is gonna love this. This is No in the 60s, I believe, or is it 70s? In the 70s, riding a skateboard. Hey, paisano, that's my No. Look at the mustache, guys. You can't fuck with No's mustache. All right. That's what an amazing man. Look at that. He was a skater boy. SFP bounce here. Rotation up. Can't beat that, man. No. Sky high, baby. Let's go. Nona's in the chat for everybody. Testadura. He doesn't need a helmet, Jeep. His nickname is Testadura. It's hardhead. He's got a thick skull. Testadura. Let's go, baby. Good morning, LJ V Monitor. Augusto is my no. His brother's name's Mario. We don't have a Luigi. We have Augusto, Mario, Bruno, Gino, Giuseppe, and Anna. That's my Italian family. Okay. Flying a little bit blind here. Retest back in here, rotation back down. This is good, guys. We're coming for this low. A little sweepy sweep. Solana coming down. This is good. Failed to continue. Okay, coming back down here. 850. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Supporting the channel. Smacking like button. Subscribing if you're new. Joining the Discord. Using the code BOOBS. Oh, man. 400 people in here talking about porn mustaches, boobs, and food. Is Giuseppe like Jose in Italian? It's Joe. So whatever Joe is for you in Mexican Spanish language. It's Joe. Yeah, I didn't wear helmets either. A couple good old smackarellis on the head. Nasdaq's dumping here, guys. Nasdaq not happy right now. Nasdaq says lower. Considering a short. No trade here. Still waiting, everybody. Thank you for being here, hanging out. See if we can push here. Trying to take this low and this low, but right now, no go for the low. Nasdaq looks weak here. Like we said, Nasdaq needs to come down here, in my opinion, 25.5. Trying to hold this range. Chop and roll over here. Bull div here. So this is our third drive here. So I like 3 drives. It's trying to push here, but no, don't like it. Retest the previous lows, continuation down. No trade. I'd prefer the Solana trade down into 139. That would be best, I think, just to this low. But, I mean, into this liquidity right here. That would be the equivalent of Bitcoin coming down into these lows. But Bitcoin doesn't look as tantalizing. I feel like I'm late to the party with the short, though. Like the juice. Is there enough juice left in? The squeeze. Yeah, no trade. Still, this is overextended. To me, this is overextended in here. So naturally, I'm looking for reversals down here when VWAP's above. But we should be looking for shorts too. So it's a mixed bag here. We have a golden pocket 786 bounce out of here. If we go swing low to swing high, right? So we go from low to high, right? We got our golden pocket 786 area here. So we're looking for this possibly to retrace back up into 93.2, but if we see strength in Nasdaq, possibly reversal here, but I don't see the strength yet. You know what I do see? My son has gotten up and I need coffee. That's what I do see. I'm going to go get some coffee, everybody. I'll be right back. Thank you guys so much for being here, smacking up like buttons. Go grab yourself a coffee. And I'll see you in 2 seconds. Hey, buddy. I hear you. Where's my handsome man? There he is. Good morning, handsome. How are you? Coffee. He's too cute. Way too cute. Way too cute. My son is cuter than your son. Handsome man. Handsome man. Coming back here. All right. Pump and dump. Retest of lows here. Pump and dump. Just slow grind down, really. Yeah, retest of lows. Like, anybody in any trades right now? What's going on, everybody? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long, 2 in the chat if you are in a short, and a 3 in the chat, or skis if you're sitting on your hands. That coffee hit different today. 3, 3, 3, 2. Long. Short. Hands. Long. We got some longs in here. Long from where? You're long from the bottom over there somewhere? You've been holding it with your big move? Big move energy? 2 on ETH. Looking for long later? Yeah, long later would be ideal. Afternoon. I think everything will start to turn up in the afternoon. Looking for long here. Yeah, your structure break, though, is so far away. You're 3 drives. Everybody coming in this morning looking for longs. NASDAQ pushing, though. NASDAQ's coming alive. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. AlexO. Ho, ho, ho. Krypto. Good job, everybody. Blackie Chan, what's going on, man? All my friends that went to college are doing far better than me financially. It's an anecdote for sure. I mean, as a carpenter, I could make like 140. Easy. I mean, easy. I say it's easy, but it's hard work. 140. Good years, 160, depending on how much you want to work through the winter up here in Canada. Tradesman is where it's at, man. Don't you work pools, LBC? Why don't you get a trade? Why don't you go and become an iron worker or something, man? You make $200,000 a year. You be giggling, man. I'll teach you how to read a tape. I mean, those guys just do drugs and bang steel. Hang and bang, baby. Thank God no rap music. I went to college for home renovations, marketing, and sustainable building technology. And I didn't pass any of them. I went for a semester, said this is shit. They had like this marketing course in college, and I was like, okay, what are we doing here? They had us run a coffee shop. It was really gay. Then I went and did home renovations. I got honors in home renovations because it was easy. And then I went and joined the Carpenters Union, and I did my full apprenticeship through there. Became a journeyman carpenter. You look more tantalizing than these charts, Blackie Chan. Yeah, HVAC, electrician, hang and bang like drywallers. That's it, man. Nice push trigger wave here. I used to do industrial formwork, though. I used to put up skyscrapers. That was my shit. Bricklaying and the wages. Aren't you turning 37 there, Lunar Beaches? You ain't that old. You're born in what, 88? 87? I'm born in 90. I'll respect my elders. Sorry, sir. You would have picked on me in high school. Electrician is probably the best. Sparkies? I don't know. Sparkies are weird, man. It's a weird people to work with. If you want a light trade, go HVAC. Do some HVAC. That's tin bangers are. I mean, tin banging's got to be the lightest, pussiest trade around. I mean, they just bend sheet metal and put in ducts, which are light, right? If you want light work and good money, HVAC is where it's at. Plumbing is there's 3 rules to plumbing. Shit flows down. Payday's on Thursday. And don't bite your nails. Yuck. I can do a bit of everything though. I can run my own wires. I have electricians who hook it up to the panel, but I do everything. I can drywall, I can plaster, everything. You name it. Carpenters are the backbones of construction, if you didn't know. But now I'm letting you know. And I did a full basement renovation for my grandparents. Look. All the plastering, all the drywall, all the framing. There's my makeshift knee pads. I'm doing all the flooring. Me and my wife. Trading. Look, French Toaster was in the chat there. Do I have before and after pictures? I hung the door upside down. Look, I hung the door upside down. Idiot. Not perfect. Did the whole kitchen. Good fun. It's a pocket door, JR. You flip it around. It's 2 hinges. Bong. Flip. Bong. Done. Good push here. Bro, you look good with the shaved head. Yeah, I haven't had a haircut in 2 months because of Black Friday. Flooring, yeah. Flooring is it hurts. Flooring hurts. Jay, are you framed houses? Are you on the cuts? Are you measuring? Or are you passing me wood? Can you frame a roof? That is the question. If you're a carpenter, you should. I do plumbing, electric, some IT repairs, yeah. Water chemistry, guys. He's got his acid test, little litmus papers. Sparkies, yeah. No comment about Sparkies. Looking for a little push here, guys. Continuation. Buy level doing its thing. NASDAQ pushing, yeah. Okay, everything's looking good here. We got 20 minutes till market open. We got some strength coming into market open, which gives me cause for concern. Whenever we see price doing this into market open, what are we looking at? We're looking at trap traders coming into market open. People getting long in here and not paying themselves. What typically happens, market opens, it dumps, then we go up. So it's kind of a little tell. A little tell, but yeah, no structure change. Still waiting here, guys. Been a mechanic for 14 years. Yeah, my cousin's a mechanic. He has his own shop and everything. He does pretty well, but his hands are effed, man. Like he's got carpal tunnel, and like being a mechanic in Canada, you're indoors, but your shop is typically cold, so you're working with cold hands all day, and that's it, man. He can measure and cut. That's good, man. We'll keep you around. Ten-year HVAC vet. Yeah, there you go. Back pain and the trades are very motivating to become a full-time trader. Alex, do beatbox, please. You promised me. Did I promise you? That's all I got, man. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm just a bachelor, looking for a partner. Even falling on. There you go. That's all I got. Do you know Snoop? Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. I'm a nice dude with some nice jeans. Wu-Tang. So it down for the old school. Old school. When the night has come, and the lamps is gone. All right, I'm done, man. Let's trade. Good times, man. High school times. Still got it. Who would have thought? All right, trying to push here. I like the clipping, the bull divs in here. I like the strength. I'm just waiting for market open, really. Not looking ideal to jump into a trade right now. Solana's nice pushback, sweep in the lows here, coming back down, looking to push up through this momentum. NASDAQ looking strong coming into market open. Obviously clear resistance above us here, like clear as day. Just trying to get above and get going. S&P 500, looking at that right now, what we can see is that there's clear a rollover here, but we can see the ES has bounced, okay? So we would expect a gap up and possible continuation down to fill that gap. So let's see what happens when we open here. We still got about 15 minutes. We got a little push enticing buyers this morning. If this, then that. Standard deviations trying to push up into VWAP here. So Patience, patience, patience. We clearly have some order blocks, some resistance coming through here. This would be a nice target up in 93.2. Yeah, I like that. I like this. Yeah, not bad. Just for me right now, enticing buyers and in a downtrend, I typically need confirmation to jump in unless it's a really quick momentum scalp, which volume has died out. All the volume has come in the dumps, guys. We see that on the way down here. So what? Do we really want to long into a downtrend when all the volume is coming on the dump? So we long here. We chop up a little bit and then boom. Do we want to be a victim of that? No. So patience here. We wait. Looking to sweep these lows in here. So a little bit of patience. We'll see if it does want to come back to us. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel and smacking like buttons, all that stuff. We only need 25 more likes. I would appreciate if we could get 25 more likes and then say good morning. Okay? That's a great t-shirt, K-Pack. Got me shaking ass. Oh, man, you guys are too much. What is the best gift for a 2-year-old? I want to get my son something. What do you think is the best gift? I think I'm getting him like a big ass Hot Wheels. Like no joke Hot Wheels. Do you have 2 Discords? No, 1 Discord. We have a free section though, and then the paid section, which is on fire. Get him fireworks. I want like a Hot Wheels that, you get your kids stuff like that you never got as a kid because you feel like you got left out. Well, that's what I'm thinking. I get him this big ass dragon one. We go shopping here and go get him big ass dragon one. It's got like a dragon thingy mabob. Look at this thing, man. This no joke, man. Look at this. You get to launch it and shit. You launch it and then you go into the dragon. I'm gonna have more fun than my son. Look at this. This thing looks next level. Got the loop-de-loop, the twirly twirl. $150 Canadian. This is, I don't know. I'm going to sit here and play with this. Funds to the account. Every year I put money into his account. He's set. Don't worry. He's doing well. He's doing better than most people on this earth right now. Is magnetic tiles. Okay. A flamethrower. Yo, that is right up my alley, Paul Caruso. Get him one of those sit-down Jeeps he can drive around. Done. Already done. He's been doing that since he was like 8 months old. 8 months old. I got him the whole setup, man. For the I got him the red Jeep. He's got this Jeep, red Jeep. I'm not going to show you. And I glued a Bluetooth on it. I glued the Bluetooth on it. And then we play AC/DC and he drives down the road. He's got this thing, man. He's flying. He's already got this thing. He's styling, profiling through the mountains. He's got the pedals. But I put a Bluetooth speaker on it, so he's just like bumping tunes as he cruises. He loves it. He loves AC/DC. AC/DC and Iron Maiden. Just gets him going, man. Do, 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 do. A white man came across the sea. Boo, boo, boo. And he just starts going. Yeah. Rolling down the street. I think it's it's the drum beat in Iron Maiden. He loves the like. Nick Musgrave in the chat. What's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. Time to get him some gas-powered ones. Well, I was thinking of doubling up the battery as he gets older, because it's fast for him now. But I think if we get him some more juice in that battery, we could get him rocket shipping around the neighborhood. Yeah. All right, we got 10 minutes till market open, everybody. This has been it's been a not bad morning to start. I mean, there's been trades like retest to previous low, continuation down. The short was viable here. Bullish divergence trying to push. Enticing buyers, not ideal. NASDAQ very choppy. SPY, we're expecting gap down and then gap up and then rotation down, right? That's what we're expecting. ETH just looks like it needs to dump. Like this. Look at the little liquidity in here, guys. Like this is ETH needs to come into here. This is at least, look at this. The seahorse pattern, guys. We'll see. Solana's been doing its thing, like pretty strong here. This is nice consolidation, trapping shorts. This could rip. Like if this gets going here today, if this gets going, easy move to 148. Easy move. However, liquidity is all down below. So we should be typically looking for shorts here. But hey, man, we'll see. We'll see. If this, then that. We'll let price action tell us which direction we want to go. A little bit of patience here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Top-down analysis. We've gone through it. We do it typically around 9 o'clock. Top-down analysis. So 22 minutes ago, you can rewind to that. But the idea is that there's liquidity below us. We want to see 90,000 defended. We want to see 94,000 flipped. So this is our range. We got 94. We got 90,000. This is our range. We're at the top of the range. We're looking for rotation down. We have topping structure, not really convincing for dumping, but we have liquidity and liquidity. So that's what we're looking to target. Unless we get clear market structure change, then we can look for longs and continuation up. No problem. Okay, however, liquidity in the lows. Very choppy, boring day yesterday with Donald talking about gas cars. Whoop-de-doo-da-day. So tomorrow's a big inflation day, and I think that's kind of where the markets are leaning towards waiting for. But yeah, we'll see what we get today. I think there's some optimism here. And if not, we're range bound. So in a range bound, we look to buy the lows and sell the highs, right? Until proven otherwise. So let's see what we get today. Just try to remain patient. Having a really good week so far. Up $7,600 for the week. So happy days. However, there's always more to be made. Once you get a taste, guys, it's bad. It's bad. Run to the hills, galloping drums and guitars. A white man came across the sea. Yeah, it's such a good. He loves it, man. Got my kid a 90cc four-wheeler when he was 3. It rocked. Wife hated it. That's me, man. I want to buy us like. I want an enduro. But I think we should just both get some dirt bikes, man. How old does a child have to be for a dirt bike? How old? I mean, I could get him an electric one. Two, three? Three, right? Yeah. Well, look, if we get him an e-bike, we can get him one at 2, right? This one has training wheels. Look at these training wheels. And then we could upgrade him to this guy right here. This Razor MX 650 high torque electric. Imagine having this as a kid, man. I'd be running the streets of Toronto like an absolute G. I'd be remaking my San Andreas missions with my dirt bike. Imagine. My God, these kids are so spoiled these days, man. Mine's 2.5. That's his big Christmas present. Let's go. 3 if the bike has a flamethrower. I love it, Paul. Oh, God bless your sister, LJ. Hopefully everything goes well. You're an uncle. Uncle LJ, let's go. 4 minutes here. Nice push. Gold looks nice. Pie Bear's in the house. What kind of bike should I get him then? Like, is this... like a 50, right? Like I get him a 50. Who makes a 50cc? Short Gold. Honda makes a 50? Yeah. I haven't looked at a 50. I mean, who looks at a 50? A Susie Jr.? They all do. Okay. This is going to be our family road trips right here. Let's go. My wife's going to kill me. I got to get my bike first. How much are they? $3,000? That's not bad. Nice push here. Okay, stop. You guys are making me look at dirt bikes here. Getting me all excited. Solana break of momentum. Strength. Coming into resistance. Continuation. Into market open. 2 minutes. Crawling. Crawling, but trying. NASDAQ. Yeah. Patience here, guys. Enticing buyers. Like, very good sell. Very good sell. You see how it chops, and then now it's pushing into market open. It's a very good sell, in my opinion. Not a trade for me. And trying to... I've seen this trick too many times. If it breaks this high... What the heck did I just click there? If it breaks this high... Okay, then we can talk business. Otherwise, you're coming down one more time. If we break here, we're good to go. VWAP's coming through though. We would look for a flip here, so yeah, let's wait. Patience here. Solana, same deal. Solana has broken the momentum. Yeah, splitting hairs here. Patience. 430 people here. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out. Enough like buttons. Thank you for the like buttons. Thank you for subscribing and hanging out. Joining the Discord using the code BOOBS. That's the community. Best Discord in all crypto, man. Trade set up last night from Kyle. 3 XRP, Solana, Bitcoin all hitting targets from our signals traders. Incredible, man. Come over and hang out. Appreciate you guys being here. Market is open. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Rolling over. See, enticing buyers rolling over. Okay, gap up as expected. Okay, here's our gap up. Now we're looking for possible rotation down. Let's see what happens here. Strength so far. Strength so far. Go over Solana. Solana. There it is. Slap and go. Bitcoin, look at that. Nasty, man. Like I said, you can't write it. Good job. GG's on just being prepared, right? I mean, you also got to reward yourself for seeing the market right. If you can see the market right, you can then execute correctly with that vision, right? So sometimes it is about execution at the end of the day, about taking the trades or whatever. But at the end of the day, protecting your capital is your job as well. Is your most important job. So if you can see what they're trying to do, I mean, retail's totally raked over the coals right here. Like we're going to the moon, man. 3 drives, bull divs. Yeah. Liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. Trend. Doesn't mean we can't bounce out of here. Doesn't mean I'm not looking for a long now. NQ flat. This isn't moving at all. Still waiting here. Look at this. Damn, Daniel. Looking for the SFP bounce here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Now I got Iron Maiden stuck in my head. Demonetize my YouTube channel. 450 people here. You guys are crazy. I don't know why you come and hang out here, but thank you for being here. Traders helping traders, man. Taking the trades, showing the trades, having fun, kicking names, taking ass. Whatever you're into. Slap and go. Slap and go. Typical. Typical. No trade there. I mean, you could have taken the long, but slap and go. That's a cheeky move there, market maker. That's a very cheeky move. Very cheeky. Very quick. Yeah. Cheeky bastard. Enticing buyers again. Considering a long in here, just still waiting. I'm on the hands, guys. I'm considering the long, okay? Don't get all mad at me if I'm considering something. The Discord is lit, says Toaster. God bless, man. 2 minutes to midnight. I like Hallowed Be Thy Name. That's a good one. 2 minutes to midnight's good. 2 minutes to midnight. So good. Especially when you're cruising down the mountain roads, man. Some good old Iron Maiden to mountain roads. It just hits different, man. When you're driving down the Icelands Parkway. If you haven't done this in your lifetime, I suggest you do it. You come over here to the Icelands Parkway. I'm not too far from this. You drive through here, you will never experience anything so spiritual and beautiful in your life when you're going through this beautiful, beautiful scenery. I highly suggest everybody does it. I did 40 days on the road. 40-day road trip through BC, Alberta, Canadian Rockies with my wife before we moved to England. And it was... Iron Maiden live was bad compared to Slipknot. I've seen Slipknot live twice. So I agree. I've seen Maiden a couple times too, so I agree. This is very scammy, guys. This is very scammy. This is Scam Jam Central here. Is anybody trading this? I ain't touching this. Look at this shit. It's like two wicks to midnight. 2 wicks to midnight. Look at the S&P, guys. Holy shit. Don't touch this, guys. Don't even bother. Really? I see buyers stepping up. That's what I see. So I'm enticed to long. I'm enticed to long, but I'm not taking it. The long makes sense. But this is scammy as fuck. Okay, getting above this high here. Bitcoin looking good too. Now looking for a retest continuation. Retest continuation. So I'm waiting here. Looking for a retest continuation. If it takes off, it takes off. There's no way I'm taking that trade in here. NASDAQ, flat. SPY is down. SFP of the highs here. Coming back down. What a scam jam today. It would look something like that. Bitcoin's got to go here. Still waiting. Still considering a long. Just Bitcoin's got to push. No push on Bitcoin. Rotating down now. Considering a long still. It would look something like. I like the liquidity on Solana above. Maybe we come down for one more slap. No trade here. My God. That's nasty. Chop, chop, chop. No trade. How's everybody doing? Anybody taking trades here? Or just this doesn't make sense to me right now. Short, short, short. I can see why you're short. That makes sense. Like liquidity down below in here. No clean break here on Solana. NASDAQ uncertain. Solana's got like bull divs at the wazoo. Like this looks like it wants to push. Bitcoin's pushing. Considering a long Solana here. Could push. NQ dump. Bitcoin. Bitcoin's trying to go here. Bitcoin 12-minute looks good too. NQ's dumping hard. Bitcoin coming down. Chop. Very chop. Coming down now. Is that the decision? I don't know what to say about this price action, guys. It's kind of shite. NASDAQ needs to bounce here. Big dump. SPY. Flat. Solana again? You want to go? Do we want to go Solana or not? Bitcoin's got to choose here. Still waiting. Orb is almost in. It's going to be a weird orb today. If we push here, I'm jumping Solana. If we push. Orb is about to be in. I do like the 12-minute Solana. Bull divs trying to push out here. Good liquidity in these highs up top. Bitcoin, 3 drives, trying to push as well, chopping. Just not following through. NASDAQ lower. This is concerning now for shorts. NASDAQ dumping. SPY holding. Bitcoin rolling over a little bit. No. No decision here. Flat. This is flat AF. NASDAQ coming to our bounce level that we were talking about on the US 100. US 100 isn't trading right now, which is interesting. SPY's flat. Bitcoin's flat. No decision. Interesting. It's going to pop one way or the other. That's all I got to say. Chop City, yeah. Probably down. NASDAQ saying down with a bounce. SPY rotating down a little bit. Bitcoin down. So Solana should follow. Look in here then. This is a fun market open, everybody. We all having a good time? Up or down, 1 or 2? 1 or 2, everybody. You let me know, because I don't know. 1 or 2. Sideways forever. 2, 1, 2, 1. You guys get to say I told you so after. I'm going to say up. $470 people here. Thank you for being here, guys. This price action's retarded. a little bit down. We had more price action before market open. Can anybody tell me why the US 100 isn't trading right now? Bitcoin, lower orb, slap and go. Slap and go. It's got a slap and go here. No trade. I ain't touching this. Slap and go. Bull div, slap and go. Up to VWAP. No trade for me. Still waiting. We should have just gone dirt bike shopping at this rate. Losing orb, breaking down. It's got to bounce. No bounce. Lower. Twos win, man. Twos win. Good job, twos. SFP bounce. Anything? No. No bounce. Lower. NASDAQ telling the tale here. No trade, guys. This is dog shit, really. Really ugly. Sweep and go. Sweep and go, maybe. Lower. Nice roll over here. No trade. Still waiting. I see you long more than short. Everybody says that here. Bitcoin bleeding out. Considering a long for a bounce here on Solana. I still like the liquidity up top here. Nasdaq struggling. SPY bouncing a little bit. Bitcoin rolling over. I just see pure liquidity grab and bounce. That's what I see. I don't know what you guys see. $9.56. Where are we sending you guys after this? Where do you guys want to go? We send you to Piper Academy or what? We'll send you to Piper Academy, man. Family. Bitcoin dying. Coming down. 91. Lower part of the range. See if we can bounce here. Shorts are printing. Good job. If you are short. Looking to come down to 91 here. Nice rollover for Biddy. Looking to sweep the liquidity in these lows here. NQ rolling over. S&P rolling over. Bitcoin trying to bounce here. We be waiting. Trading is waiting. Waiting for a bounce. What time is it? It's almost done. Send you over to Piper Academy today. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Didn't catch the short, but, I mean, market's been really choppy today, so it's not something that, necessarily I'm too interested in. Let's see if we do get some, structure in here before we look for anything else. Just going to be patient here. We'll see if we get anything. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, smacking up like buttons, subscribing if you're new. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, everybody. Bye.
On the comer, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.